Welcome to the RCC podcast by Richard's Commerce Classes. Let's discuss Chapter 2, Trade. Trade means the process of exchange of goods and services. Trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services with an objective of earning profit. Trade establishes a link between producers and consumers, and it is carried out by buyers and sellers. Types of trade. Trade can be divided into different types, which are as follows: internal trade and external trade. Internal trade is further divided into wholesale trade and retail trade, whereas external trade is divided into import, export, and entrepot. Let's discuss internal trade in greater detail. Part 1: Wholesale trade. When goods are purchased in large quantities from the manufacturer or producer for the purpose of resale to retailers, it is known as wholesale trade. The person who is engaged in wholesale trade is known as a wholesaler. Features of wholesaler. 1. A wholesaler purchases goods from the producer in large quantities. 2. Wholesaler has to take risk in the process of distribution. 3. A wholesaler deals with one or few types of goods. 4. A large amount of capital is required in this business. 5. A wholesaler maintains price stability by balancing supply and demand factors. 6. The manufacturers can get direct information about market through wholesalers. 7. A wholesaler sells the goods to the retailers as per their requirements. 8. A wholesaler performs the marketing functions like assembling, warehousing, transporting, grading, packing, advertising, and financing. What are the wholesaler's services to a manufacturer? 1. Large purchase. 2. Storage. 3. Transportation. 4. Financial assistance. 5. Provide market information. 6. Price stability. 7. Risk bearing. And 8. Marketing functions. What are the services of a wholesaler to the retailer? 1. Stock of goods. 2. Regular supply. 3. Risk bearing. 4. Financial support. 5. Market information. And 6. Sales promotion. Let's move on to Part 2, Retail trade. When goods are sold relatively in small quantity to the ultimate consumer by wholesaler or distributor or dealer is known as retail trade. The person who is engaged in retail trade is known as retailer. The following are the features of retailers. 1. Retailer is the link between the wholesaler and consumers. 2. He operates in local markets. 3. Retailers deal in wide variety of goods in small quantity. 4. Investment requirement is limited. 5. Less risk and low amount of profit as compared to wholesaler. What are the services provided by the retailer to the wholesaler? 1. Connecting link. 2. Helps to distribute. 3. Marketing. 4. Provide information. 5. Attract consumers. And 6. Create demand. Let us now see the services provided by the retailer to the consumer. 1. Regular supply of goods. 2. Local convenience. 3. Home delivery. 4. Variety of goods. 5. Credit facilities. 6. After-sales services. 7. Information. There are different types of retailers, which we will now discuss. First, let's talk about itinerant retailers. These are hawkers, peddlers, street traders, cheap jacks, and market traders. Next up are the other types of retailers known as fixed shop retailers. These are further classified as small-scale fixed retailers and large-scale fixed retailers. Small-scale fixed retailers include general stores, second-hand goods shop, authorized dealers, and specialty shops. Large-scale fixed retailers, on the other hand, include departmental stores, supermarket stores, chain stores, one-prices shops, and malls. Next up are the features of large-scale fixed retailers. Features of a departmental store. 1. Central location. 2. Wide variety of goods. 3. Shopping convenience. 4. Specialization. 5. Centralized management. 6. Huge capital. And 7. Cash sales. What are the features of a supermarket shop? 1. Central location. 2. Types of goods. 3. Self-service. 4. Reasonable price. 5. Capital. 6. Cash sales. 7. Attractive packing. And 8. Impulsive buying. Let's now understand the features of a chain store. 1. Low and uniform price. 2. Uniformity. 3. Limited range of goods. 4. Large investment. 5. Distribution through branches. 6. Cash sales. And 7. Quality of goods. Lastly, what are the features of a one-price shop? Cash sales, uniform price, low price, location, less capital, and variety of goods.